Riu a Kenya magweterera nginya ambunge macokereria kuma rutha wa keri kiumia giukite riria bunge-ini ya kibũrũri matanyitwo gutwarithia na mbere ndereti ya mendekithia ma gucenjia gatiba na maikia kura niguo kũhĩtũkia kana kũgũithia riboti ya BBI. Nayo bunge ya Senate ĩrĩgĩrĩirwo gucokereria cikaro tariki 11 mweri ukite. Hindi ya cikaro cia thikũ igĩrĩ kũrĩ arĩa mareganĩte na mendekithia ma riboti ĩno, Senator wa Elgeyo Marakwet Kipchumba Murkomen akiuga Kenya nĩ makungĩirio wara amu kĩhumo kĩa BBI gĩtiarĩ gĩa gũcenjia gatiba.
I am glad the chair of the Legal Affairs Committee has made it clear that even some of the proposals and the report captures on amending the constituencies, Mr. Speaker, was never, Mr. Speaker, proposed by anybody anywhere across the country.
Once we expand the Senate, apart from the element of cost, there will be practical problems in this House. Number one, we will have to build new offices to accommodate the new members. Again, two, it will take a long time for each member to catch the eye of the Speaker.
Ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo arĩa metĩkĩranĩtie nayo maugĩte rĩrĩ nĩ ihinda rĩa kũrehe ũkũria bũrũri-inĩ.
So what do we do? Do we throw the baby with the bathwater? We can't. That would be irresponsible of us. So it behoves all of us to look at this bill as a first step in our journey to creating a nation that is cohesive, a nation that is at peace with itself.
We have a singular and joint and noble duty to scrupulously and jealously guard against the interception of Wajiko's initiative.
Hindi ya gũikia kura kũmĩhĩtũkia kũrabatara maseneta 38 na bunge 175. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.